I'm Nicole Boyd with McKenna Property Management. I work with Jenny McKenna, and right now we're at 6254 New Leaf.
8264.
Yes. So right now we're in the front yard, which is great because it's very minimal landscape. Although you have the fire hydrant line here, there's still enough parking in the street and in front of the house for your tenants as well. And then we'll walk on the inside. Again, very minimal landscape, so the tenants won't have to worry about that. As we enter, you have the flooring. It's not the grade that we would normally do. However, it looks to be in great shape, so I think we can keep it. No need to change the flooring at all. And then the paint also looks to be good. Once all these items on the wall are removed, I would suggest a touch of paint. In the kitchen, it's great because we have all the expenses that the seller has put into it that you don't have to worry about. So you have the upgraded appliances, black refrigerator, and also your granite countertops. Also has the darker wood with the knobs that are nice as well. And over here we have a good space, good sized pantry, which is convenient. In the living room area is the same flooring. Again, this tile and the full wood flooring are in great shape, so no need to change that. Again, some touch-up paint on the walls once these items are removed. And then it opens up to your backyard. Now, if this is removed up here, I would suggest replacing it. That way you don't have to have the expense of adding in vertical blinds. Just add a drape if they don't leave it. And the tenant can add whatever drapes they would like. The drape rod. So the backyard is also very minimal. Love the synthetic grass. That's another expense that you don't have to worry about. And then rock. So just mainly trimming of these bushes whenever it gets overgrown. Probably once a year, maybe, if need be, depending on the weather throughout the year and how overgrown they get. And over here, we have the 3/4 bath. So it's just the commode and sink. Again, looks to be in great shape. I did notice in the garage, which we'll try to get back there if we can, it does have a sealant on the garage floor, which is a great expense, so you don't have to worry about oil stains. And then I did look in here, it was a deep storage closet, which is also convenient for tenants as well. But there's some stuff in front. And then we'll head upstairs. While we're going upstairs, I do notice the carpet's in great shape. The cushion is all good. The condition of the floor is great as well. It's also a great color. It's not too light, it's not too dark, so it should clean up pretty well. We're going to start on the guest bedrooms first. This is your one guest. Although it is a light purple, it's neutral enough to leave it. I would say again, just do some touch-up paint. 2 great closets for storage and for clothes, so tenants will love that also. All the doors are also paneled, which is a nice touch. This is your second guest bedroom, and all have the upgraded ceiling fans and the faux wood blinds. And then here is your third. Again, upgraded ceiling fan, faux wood blinds, also a walk-in closet here. Here is the laundry area, or laundry room per se. It's a little smaller, but you have your washer and dryer upstairs, a little bit of storage for the tenant, and then they'll be able to close it up for less noise. Then we have another bath here. Again, the tile looks to be in good shape. Grout looks to be in good shape. Paint will just need a touch up, and the fixtures look good as well. And then your master, great size. They changed up the color in here as well, but again, it's nice, it's neutral, just a minor touch up when all the items are taken down. And you also have lots of windows in here for a lot of light, which is good. And then your walk-in closet. Sorry. It's big size. And then your bathroom as well. So the bathroom has the separate shower and tub. Very clean, very nice. I think it would only need a light janitorial here. And then along with a touch-up paint as well.
Ooh, sorry.
No, you're fine. It also has the double sink, which is nice. And that is the home. Thank you.